Showing you guys how to drive a lawn tractor. I'm sure a lot of people don't know how to drive one. So today I'll be showing you. It's brand new. It's in mint condition. I bought it was in it was like a mint condition. It's a 13 horsepower Kohler C-Series design. I'm gonna be driving it and just showing you how to operate this. So we're gonna be hopping on this bad boy. Gonna start it now. Like a half an hour to idle to warm it up, and then the first thing you do, you put the throttle up like that. Okay, and you got your clutch, trailer on the tractor, and we're gonna have some trailer fun.
Fossil fuel, I mean, how stupid is that?
This is a project I wanted to show you I'm working on right now. So you guys can guess what it is. You might not be able to guess what it is. See, I don't know where the old pulley went, but I'm putting that on the transmission. I gotta move this real quick.
See the damage controls?
We're gonna see if this thing can do some wheelies and burnouts.